I found this really funny looking farm tractor. It's kind of big and it's in a tight space here. This is my uncle's bus, actually. He's gonna give it to me, but it's in New York and I'm in Maine, so it's gonna be interesting to try to get it trucked. It's 35 feet long. I still can't see the whole thing in the frame. From this angle you can really see how rounded it is. She's a beaut. One of her eyes fell out over here.
Like to see things, meet new people? Try exclusive Greyhound Scenic Cruiser service.
There's our ID plate. GM, General Motors, Coach. See if I can get myself up in this thing. Kind of cool little driver's seat spot. Maybe this is a mafia bus. Probably got shot at.
Lean back in air-conditioned comfort.
You know, that Greyhound through service is simply marvelous. Why, the same seat, the same bus, no change of luggage. In fact, it's so easy, I'll be able to visit you much more often.
And leave the driving to us.
There have been some animals living in here. As you can see, there's stuff on the stove. I don't need to zoom in on that. Here's your gas-powered fridge. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back here or not. We'll see. There's a lot of stuff in there. I don't think I can get back there. That's okay. This here, this lever here, somebody added a little spotlight out there. Gauges. Horn that probably used to work one time.
Any passengers in there?
A few non-human ones. Weren't invited on the trip, but they're a little bit too aggressive to get them off the bus, so...
Critter cruising, huh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take them along.
There it went.
I got an early Christmas present here. Truck showed up tonight and brought the big bus. It's gonna be kind of hard to see in the dark, I think, but...
What is the first thing a smart horse buyer does? Just this. Sure, he knows it's more than appearances that count with a horse. And if you're wise, you'll do the same thing when it comes to buying a truck. Yes, sir, you look under the hood, because here is where truck buying begins. Look for the one big advance that is revolutionizing engine performance, from pickups to 60,000-pound big jobs. As you see here, modern short-stroke engine design means that the stroke is shorter than the bore. This reduces piston travel and piston speed.
Don't go slow because it doesn't have brakes, so if it takes off, it's going to bump into it.
off the trailer, sitting on the ground at my house. This is Lucy's front, her big beautiful face with her 4 eyes, one of which needs to be reinserted so that she can see to her full ability at night. It is a PD 3751, which is a GMC model that was made exclusively for Greyhound bus lines. So this was, initially when it was brand new, this was a Greyhound Lines bus. Gonna take you around to the back here. Here is the original Detroit 671. I am gonna leave the engine and the original transmission running gear, all that is gonna stay right with it. Hasn't really been a rolling stone for a while, so she gathered a little bit of moss here. Check that out. The step comes down. As you know, I got short legs, so this bus was obviously made for someone like me, because they give you an extra step.
Greyhound costs less.
And any other form of public transportation.
He should know. He's on TV.
I love it when he says, and leave the driving to us. So masculine.
Over here, a fully equipped restroom. Oops, enjoy picture windows that let you see the sights close up.
You didn't look. You don't know where I'm going.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Oh, I can't just ride around aimlessly.
No, I meant it doesn't matter where you're going. Greyhound will take you there for less than any other form of public transportation.
Oh, I see. A Greyhound costs less, even if you don't know where I'm going. Thank you.
But, hope you all will follow my project, and I will do some videos and photos and all that as we go. I think maybe we ought to shut the door so we keep the varmints out. And I gotta go get back to work. I got a lot of artwork left to do.
Go Greyhound and leave the driving to us. Go Greyhound
And leave the driving to us.